再来关心国际新闻，美国加州圣地亚哥有一台私人飞行机失去控制，伫接轨主体社区撞起去，上部有15间厝着火，真侪车拢烧甲成废铁。目前知影飞行机顶有3个人死亡，几若人受伤，那地面的住户家在拢平安。
明体被弄做一坑正大坑，一个烧甲乌臭焦，边一个有几多台车也被烧甲乌麻麻变做废铁。美国加州圣地亚哥人口正多，莫非结构住地区，当地时间22透早3点外发生一台私人小飞机摔落意外。目击的民众讲，这台飞机自天顶摔来，弄到明体，现场闻到正高燃油的味。
I could smell that there was a lot of fuel, so I knew that there was going to be, a crazy fire going on, especially with, jet fuel or anything like that.
厝边大家喊声，叫大家赶紧争取，赶紧撤离。飞机的全体也甲规死过，火规个炭开。空难现场是海军管辖的宿舍，至少有15户着火。消防队赶到现场，紧急疏散几落个街区的居民。根据了解，出代志的塞斯纳550型双营恁小飞机。拜三暗自纽泽西起飞，本来是要降落伫个圣地亚哥的蒙哥马利吉布斯行政机场，拜四透早飞到半路，煞唔知什么原因，摔来弄入去主题区。
No one was transported out of the housing units. That's where I say we were lucky in that fact that no one from those homes was injured that we've had so far.
And then was inbound, we presume, based on the flight path for landing into Montgomery Field, runway 28 right. It struck power lines about 2 miles southeast of the airport, then collided with a house.
根据气象资料显示，迄当阵能见度降到只个那800公尺，云层有较低，不过并无什么现象显示出问题。飞机摔来进前也无法紧急信号。美国联邦航空管理局要求国家运输安全委员会派人到现场调查，联邦调查局也出动调查加鉴定空难发生的原因。公司新闻郑伟林编辑。